Hi guys, I'm Heather McNulty. I'm here with Magnum to show you our new FIREBOX, which is our fire extinguisher stand. Did you guys know that OSHA requires fire extinguishers prominently placed across job sites every 100 feet? If you didn't, now you do. So now I'm going to show you just how easy it is to put these together. So to assemble the FIREBOX by Magnum fire extinguisher stand, it's really great. It comes in 4 identical pieces. So each of these is exactly the same, so you don't have to pick which side what goes on. So you clip those all together really easily, which I'll show you in a moment. And then the top piece is here, and then we have 4 pins that you kind of snug into each of the corners. So we're gonna assemble it now just to show you just how easy it is. So now I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to put the Magnum FIREBOX together. So like I said, these are 4 pieces identical, so it doesn't matter which one you go on first. So wait until you hear the click. And then on the sides, you're gonna make sure the seams fit nice and stuck. Just like that. And then that's one side that you got completely done. So then you do that again with the other side. So once you have the 2 halves of the hole, you take this center piece, which will fit nice and snug in here, and join them together. And now you're ready for your final step, which is setting these pins. So I'm gonna turn this like so. Each pin goes in its corner and you line it up nice and snug. And then you set the other pins, just like that. Now you're compliant and ready to go. Be sure to check us out online at acmetools.com and all the 10 Acme locations. At Acme Tools, do your best work.